Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, surprised to see you this morning
Uh-huh.
cutting gooseberries. Just last day I saw your video on releasing your book on creative management. Went through the copy of the book also. It's absolutely wonderful.
Thank you.
Surprised to see a person who talks about management, about how to change the management studies, cutting gooseberries in his setting.
Yeah.
What is that wonder about cutting gooseberries early in the morning, sir?
Yeah, this I have been doing since morning. See, so many of them to be finished. Yeah, my book on creative management, which I call Organization Entelechy. Entelechy is it's a nature process concept.
Okay.
So I have observed nature. That is my basic research ground, from which I developed, which you know, what I call a nature process perspective. Looking at everything from a nature process angle. So I have realized that the entire nature is a process. Every item in that nature is a process. This is in process. Of course, this is going to be in process. And this is a process in itself. A lot of chemical, a lot of organic processes are all the time going on in this.
Okay.
So, based on my nature process, I am really inspired and committed to everything that has been derived out of nature. So I am incidentally fascinated about the philosophy of Ayurveda, and of course all the items in Ayurveda. I am really surprised, and to me the greatest creative original geniuses are those ancient rishis of India. The great Bhaskara, who could identify the astronomical locations of distant stars,
Okay.
and of course Dhanvantari, Sharngadhara, Shashruda, and Charaga, those great geniuses who created the so-called Ayurveda.
Okay.
For instance, it was told that Dhanvantari,
Yeah.
sitting in this reclusive location, would just call his disciples and tell them the entire descriptions about plants and even the locations of them, and ask them to bring it, and he would prepare something out of it, and that becomes a great ambrosia, a great medicine, so-called medicine. So I thought I would also experiment with making things, so-called Ayurvedic rasayanas. Rasayanas are the things which I like. I got a collection of ancient texts of Charaga and Susruda and Dhanvantari.
This preparation will take how long?
Maybe about 5 days.
For whom are you making this?
I'm making this mainly because of 2-3 reasons. One is this. This is actually natural gooseberry. This is not available all the time. So I got this. Then immediately I arranged for the other herbs which was outside. And I'm making it for a close friend of mine. And maybe I also will take a little bit.
Okay. So anybody can take these preparations?
Of course, anybody can take these preparations, but I will not give it to everyone. Not at all.
Okay.
Not a doubt about that. Because many people are simply not eligible to take these things which I am making.
But you will be ready to make it for somebody who is ready to have all this inspiration and understandings and...
I have done it before. For example, one of my first trainees, his name is Jagan. When he came to me, he was an unhealthy boy. He was an engineering graduate, but he looked very lean and his teeth all were very damaged. And he used to say as a joke, if he had to have 2 idlis, he had to take 5 idlis because the 4 of them will go into his gaps of his teeth. And he was very weak. So I think that's the first time I made for him. That was a serious one which he had to take for 1 full year, which he did very well. It was sometime around 1994, and he is now wonderful. Ever since that he was wonderful. His control over the body achieved out of the treatment was so fantastic that he suffered a major accident in which his hand was broken into 2-3 pieces. The orthopedic surgeon, in fact, he called me to see me because he said in his 28 years of surgery, he had never seen such a patient who was so cool about his body. Anyway, he is now perfectly alright. He is in a senior position in a multinational company working in China. Then I did it for 2 other students who were doing their MBA program, one girl and a boy. The girl had a very serious body problem, very serious in the sense that from my point of view, she could not walk properly. Always she had back pain and things like that. Even her very walking was a little bit clumsy. Then actually her boyfriend, who was suffering from asthmatic complaints since childhood, though he was an engineer and doing MBA program, he had to really work hard because he could not control his sleep. He had to go to sleep by 10 o'clock every day. So they were also given this SRS. And now that was sometime in 2002 or so. Now they are in wonderful condition. What I mean to say is that I may make it now for those who undergo my training program.
Okay.
In nature process perspective and what I call the method of creative intellect.
Okay.
And if they are successfully completing the training program, they will be eligible for that. And what I propose, like in Jagan's case or the other 2 cases, during the training program or maybe towards the end of the training program, we will start making it. And they also have to participate in the making of that. That also is a requirement.
Okay.
Not compulsory, but that is the tuning, that is the Tao. Their attention should also go into the making of it.
Okay. What are the important factors of cooking the rasayana?
The important linkages in cooking rasayana are actually applicable in any cooking. I would say the number 1 is that love and dedication. Like that in Shana, the important mental states required for a Shana is harmony, reverence, tranquility and equilibrium. All of these are applicable in any cooking. For example, why so much of illness especially for the so-called upper class people, where everything is taken care of. They take the finest quality of food and finest variety of food. Why? Because cooking is done by some servants, or cooking is done with a lot of feeling of boredom and envy. That's why. The number one factor is love, absolute tuning in the process of cooking. Because the cooked thing has to go into the most wonderful process of the universe, the human body. That's the number one factor.
Other factors?
Other factors, of course, the factors of intellect, the attention, your intuitive tuning with the one who discovered cooking, the one who discovered this particular recipe, the particular rasayana. It was by a rishi. It occurred to the intellect of a rishi. And we are imitating it, we are duplicating it, we are replicating it. So we should have that infinite sense of gratitude for that mystic individual.